In today's video, I'm going to teach you how much does ClickUp affiliate program pay. If you're exploring software affiliate programs, ClickUp is a popular one to consider. It's widely adopted because it brings tasks, docs, goals, and automation into a single workspace. That breadth makes it useful for teams and freelancers alike, which helps conversions when you recommend it. To check what the program pays, head to ClickUp's website and look for the affiliates link, usually in the main navigation or footer. Open that page to get the official details straight from the source instead of relying on hearsay. On the affiliate page, you'll see the headline figure. The program pays up to $20. That up to matters. It's the maximum payout under the scenarios they define. The actual amount can depend on what qualifies as a referral, the plan chosen, your region, or any active promotions. Treat $20 as the ceiling and use the page to confirm what must happen for a referral to count. Next, click on the payment details link on that page. This section explains how and when payouts occur and the conditions you have to meet. Pay close attention to items like payout schedule, minimum thresholds, which actions qualify, how long tracking lasts, and how refunds or chargebacks are handled. You may also see details about payment methods and any identity or tax verification they require before releasing funds. Following the program's guidelines is essential to avoid missed payments. Make sure your content accurately represents the product. Include proper affiliate disclosures wherever you share your link, and stay within the promotional rules outlined there. Even small violations, such as using restricted terms in ads, can lead to disqualifications. To wrap up, ClickUp's affiliate program advertises a payout of up to $20. Confirm that figure on the affiliates page, then review the payment details to understand the exact conditions that apply to you. Because programs evolve, always rely on the official page for the latest rates and rules. With clarity on the payout and careful compliance, you'll be ready to make the most of the opportunity.